guys, it's Bill Vinci and Ryan Vinci from the Empire Place Show. We are back in Utica, New York. We are at, where are we at tonight?
What the Truck.
What the Truck. This is our 4th time here. We're glad to be back. Tonight, we're doing the old crepe and waffle truck. So this is something new. First time here this year. Got all kinds of crepes, savory, sweet, energy drinks. They got a whole menu.
Yeah, I'm excited.
I'm excited too, because I've never had a crepe before.
Really?
Yeah, really. Never had a crepe before. So we're gonna be trying a little bit of the sweet, a little bit of the savory, and some of the desserts that they got in those crepes.
I'm excited.
Looking forward to a fun night. So we're gonna head over there right now. Ready to go?
Sure.
Let's go. Okay, I'm with Melanie tonight. Melanie, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
It's good to finally meet you after a long time. Now, you got this unique food truck. We talked a little bit about this before, about something different. You want to be different when you have a food truck because there's so many. So tell us how you came up with this idea.
Well, you know, I kind of just thought about all the different things that were out there. You've got your barbecue, you've got your tacos, you've got all these things, but you don't really have a lot of desserts.
Mm-hmm.
And I kind of was like, you know what? Crepes are a great thing. They're easily usable for anything, so you can use them for savory, sweet, anything you wanted. I just thought it was a great idea.
Now that was one of the things I thought. I was just thinking dessert. Now, I've never had a crepe before. But then this morning I saw that you put a pepperoni and cheese one up, and then I see you got these turkey bacon ones, BLTs. So like you were saying, you could really put anything you want in these things.
Yes, they're very customizable, from everything from pizza to, I did one the other day that was ham and cheese, to cheesecake and blueberries like I have on the menu.
Wow, so it's a pretty unique menu. So talk a little bit about some of the more popular ones that you guys have.
Our biggest seller right now for the actual crepe is the berry manilow. It's blueberries and strawberries with cheesecake and chocolate syrup. Kind of like a play on words a little bit. And you get it, it's funny because a lot of the younger kids have no idea who Berry Manilow is.
Now, we did talk about this off camera. She's not supposed to say anything. I should really even be saying this, but I do like Berry Manilow. I grew up listening to Berry Manilow. But
who doesn't love Berry Manilow?
well, you gotta like the guy.
Exactly.
No, he's good.
Who could ask for more at the Copacabana?
So that one is a popular one.
Yes.
Now I did see these energy drinks that we were talking about. Tell us a little bit about those.
Yes, they're called the Lotus Energy Drinks. They're a plant-based energy drink.
Okay.
They use botanicals of different plants, the cascara plant, the green tea extract, things like that. So it gives you that caffeine without the actual crash. They're delicious. They're addicting. Just be careful.
All right, so we're gonna have to try one of those too. So we got a couple crepes that I was looking at that I'm kind of eyeing right now that I want to try. So I think next we're gonna hit the truck. We're in the truck and we're gonna show you putting some of this stuff together for us.
Sounds good.
Looking to a fun night. Thank you.
Okay, thanks.
All right, so they want to make us one of everything to try tonight. So we're thinking maybe getting a few people to come and hang out with us and sit at a table and we could try all these different crepes that they're gonna have. So, as you can see, they got 9 on the board, plus they got the Lotus energy drink that we gotta try. So we might have them do that, make us one of everything, and we get to sample a few things, so that should be fun. Okay, so we just got dinner served to us. We're starting out with the savory crepes. We got the pepperoni cheese, we got a BLT, and then we got the
Turkey and cheese.
Turkey and cheese. So, this is it, man. First time ever having a crepe. Looks good, smells good, so let's give it a shot. You ready? So, the initial bite, I mean, almost tastes like a waffle slash pancake mix, right? The outside.
Yeah, the crepes.
But then you got the pepperoni and cheese. I mean, look at it. It's just like, it's like falling right out of it. Yeah. Wow. It's really good. It's light, but then you got that savory bacon and cheese that's just Oh, it's delicious. I like it. I really like it. First time having a crepe. Now this is just the start. We got the sweets coming out next, so we're gonna enjoy the rest of these. We'll see you when we're done. Okay, so we're starting off a little different tonight. We're starting off with a couple energy drinks. So I got the strawberry, the blue raz,
Green apple and orange.
so these things are loaded with all kinds of healthy nutrients in it. Not all that sugar, so they said there's no crash to it. So we gotta try them, right? See what they taste like. I'm gonna try the strawberry. Ooh, you know what? It kind of tastes like a slushie a little bit. These are really good.
They really are.
They're real.
We're not gonna sleep for a month.
Yeah, I can't. If I drank both of these, I'd be up all night. But these are refreshing, and like you said, they don't have all that sugar and all that other bad stuff in it like you get in an energy drink. Healthy, good drinks. But I'm gonna keep drinking these. These are really good. Come down, try them. Okay, so now we got the sweet waffles. Now, here is the churro. Look at that. Cinnamon, glaze. Here we got the chocolate chips, the peanut butter. And then what we got there?
Strawberry cheesecake. I'm diving right in.
That's not cool. You go in before me. But that what we got here, we got some good looking waffles. Let's try these. Oh man, they just smell out of this world. Wow. There is so much peanut butter in there. And that chocolate, and mouth is just, I mean, it is just, it's crazy good. That waffle, it just like falls apart. But there's so much on this. There's so much going on it.
Wow. That is absolutely incredible.
I can barely talk. There's so much peanut butter in there. Now we gotta try the churro one. Now this is one of my favorites, so I'm really looking forward to this. Look at that. No words. I don't even know what to say. These are incredible. This is what it's all about right here. The peanut butter chocolate, we got the strawberry cheesecake, and we got the churro.
Okay.
So we'll let them try them out and see what they think.
Trying the same one? Yeah, here. Chocolate and peanut butter are my jam, so cheers.
Ooh, you can get a little cheers back there. I like it.
I'm a fan. It's so good.
Isn't it good? It's almost so good that you can't even like talk because the peanut butter is so rich, right?
Yeah.
Right.
And the chocolate's melted like to the perfect amount.
Right.
Yeah.
Now,
10 out of 10.
all right. Now you gotta try the next one here. So, the strawberry cheesecake one.
Give me a knife. Gotta make sure you get a strawberry. Wait, you hold that down. Come on, muscles.
We're putting them to work now. Now they're having trouble just tearing this thing apart.
This is a large piece.
That's a bite right there.
Oh, God.
Yeah, it's gonna be-
Ah!
I love it.
Here are your top plays from Wednesday, number 10.
Oh, but that's so good.
We didn't expect them to try to eat this with etiquette. I mean, strawberries falling over.
I don't have any ladylike manners, sorry. When it comes to food, that's
Yeah,
really
exactly. You're supposed to have fun with it. You have fun with it.
good. Hey, cheers.
There, huh?
I'm not eating the whole thing. Oh, I'll eat it.
Okay, so we just finished up another great show at What the Truck in Utica, New York. I want to thank you guys so much for having us today.
Thanks for coming.
This was awesome. You know, for my first experience to have a crepe, dessert was amazing. Probably ate too much of it, but then you had the savory, you had the energy drinks. For a first time ever trying them, everything was amazing. So this is really cool. Make sure you like their Facebook page, check them out, find out where they're at. You guys are gonna be here every Tuesday, right?
Every Tuesday.
Every Tuesday with the truck, and they can find out where you guys are gonna be through your Facebook page.
Yep.
Definitely come and check them out. They're fantastic. The food, they made us one of everything, by the way. So we ate a lot of food tonight. I'm stuffed, but I'm gonna be leaving for the night. Ryan came down to hang out with me tonight. We had some great food, great atmosphere, but we'll definitely be back to visit these guys. Come check them out. I'm Bill Vinci and Ryan Vinci, host of the Empire Plate Show. You guys have a great night.